This is how we use the washing machine in Lake Terrace 1011. Before using the washing machine, please make sure that the dedicated switch is on and there is a red light. You can simply open the door like this, load whatever you want to wash inside and close it. From this tray here you can add your detergent, powder detergent or liquid. Close it, and here you can switch the machine on by bringing this knob to the right side. You can select from different settings. As you can see, each setting indicates a different program, so choose whatever fits you and then simply click on play and the machine will start now.